dust storm?
Yeah. This is worst dust storm
you've ever seen in Saudi.
Haven't seen it.
How long have you lived here at non-monsoon?
20 years.
Wow. Now it's yellow. Wow, 20 years. And there was no warning of this.
No warning, yeah.
Okay, just for reference, that's the thing now. Shoot, we gotta wait to go there for what, 3 weeks, Don?
Yeah.
They have to have a little early before Bobby leaves. He leaves a week before me.
Well, we might be able to do that.
Either one of those two are awesome. This is insane. That guy's driving with a hanky on his face. Oh, it's stuck in his glasses.
Here, he's got a couple of one of them too.
Let me see.
Keep speed up.
See that guy? He has a hanky in his glasses.
That'll save him.
Huh?
That'll save him.